Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the world of portable air compressors, and I'm thrilled to introduce what I believe is the best nail gun compressor on the market, the KeenPower Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Now, you might be wondering, why am I calling this a nail gun compressor? Well, stick with me, and you'll find out why this versatile tool is a must-have for every DIY enthusiast, mechanic, and outdoor adventurer. Let's start with the dual power supply modes. Whether you're on the road or in your garage, the KeenPower Tire Inflator has you covered. With its 21 volts rechargeable battery, you can inflate your tires cordlessly. And if you need continuous power, simply plug in the 12 volts DC car charger for uninterrupted operation. Now, let's talk about performance. This inflator boasts a maximum pressure of 160 psi, making it suitable for a variety of inflation needs, from car tires to bicycles and even e-bikes. Its ergonomic handle design ensures comfortable operation, whether you're holding it in your hand or placing it on the ground. Safety is paramount, especially during nighttime emergencies or low light conditions. That's why the KeenPower Tire Inflator comes equipped with a built-in flashlight featuring 3 modes: SOS, Steady Light, and Strobe. It's your reliable companion on any adventure. One of the standout features of this inflator is its quick charging capability. With a DC port, the battery can be fully charged in just 1 hour, ensuring you're never stranded with a dead battery. Plus, with a QC 3.0 USB output port, you can even charge your phone or other devices on the go. From its ease of use to its portability and performance, it's clear that the KeenPower Tire Inflator lives up to its reputation as the best nail gun compressor on the market. And there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and versatile tire inflator, look no further than the KeenPower Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and product recommendations. Until next time, happy inflating!